Starting tonight, many elderly Texans now eligible for that COVID vaccine have entered the new year very confused. Now, Texas is one of the few states that are currently breaking CDC guidelines. You heard that right. They're directing providers to immediately vaccinate all eligible Texans. KTK's Sarah Allegre leading us off.
Mixed messages on who can get the COVID vaccine and when, leaving many Texans confused. East Texas pharmacy owner Sean Sams of Lewis Morgan No. 4 in Longview hearing out the frustration circulating many pharmacies the past few days.
We've been getting lots of phone calls, people asking to be able to get put on the list towards the top of that list because of different health conditions or age. We're getting lots of those phone calls, but unfortunately we haven't had any more vaccine to give.
After getting the vaccine just weeks ago, Lewis Morgan No. 4 got rid of their small allotment of 100 doses in just 2 hours.
I wish I had more vaccine because we have plenty of people that want it.
But just last week, Governor Abbott took to Twitter criticizing providers for not giving out the vaccine, saying a significant portion is sitting on hospital shelves. Yet despite this, doctors are countering.
We want to see as many people vaccinated as quickly as possible, but right now there is an extremely limited supply of vaccine.
Texas DSHS Commissioner Dr. John Hellerstedt in a letter encouraged providers to give the vaccine to those in the 1A and 1B group, our frontline workers, and now the elderly and those 16 and older with certain medical conditions who fall into the 1B category. But what does this mean for pharmacies in East Texas?
I can give it to the 1B group if I had any. That's really the biggest issue is, I don't mind. We don't want to waste any vaccine. Once we, even really as we're taking care of the healthcare workers, we want to take care of that 1B population.
So what's your answer to those who call that are eligible but can't get vaccinated?
So right now, we don't know when our next allotment will be, but what we're waiting for at this time period is when will we get the vaccine, and when we get it, how many will it be?
The universal message.
But it's going to take time, and honestly, it's going to be into the first quarter of 2021 before we really see widely available vaccines.
Let's just all have a little bit of patience, and we'll do everything we can do to help make it as easy as possible for everybody.
Patience is key. Sarah Allegre, KTK News.